know, so much time I think about suicide just for me time because me and my girl fight. We fight for everything together. So at this point, I feel like how she gone, I at least want day with time to fight this too. But everybody tell me it don't make sense because she would have want I be strong and still help out with the family and thing. But I put it away that it just to hurt. It just to hurt, and I don't know how to let go. And I just have to because in a day, only God knows why.
Reporting for news.
Things are getting trade right now. The place are getting raid right now. So the things set away. Oh no, see the place right now. Some say the government are play right now. Place are get trade right now. See the things set away. Get it done. Some say they care for the youths them. Cause the youths are the future. Be careful of what you teach them. Don't turn them in no culture. You say the place them gone way. Your envy and hatred. Man I move like them a sick. Spiritual wickedness I am no places. Need more love in the world right now. Show more love to the youth right now. We don't want no more gunman right now. Pull up a love gun with the one now. Don't you see the place right now. Things are getting trade right now. The place are getting raid right now. So the things set away. Oh no, see the place right now. Some say the government are play right now. Place I get trained right now. See the things set away. Better move up with your ranking walk and your ranking talk. Some man I love ranking thing. Yo, we are ranking far if you don't got bank. Some man I like talking thing. Yo, nobody tell me you back where you from. Yo, little youth say me back from me band. Just because me make up me mind and decide we walk the right road, you take me the long. Yo, me have no time for the pre-bad energy. Now live my life on Snapchat and IG.
Alright, my G, I link with the connect them, you see me?
Okay, killer, remember, that's where I'm from. Yeah, it used to be the bad place, but here it has no order.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now the reason why I am doing this video, this young lady right there, she was killed in an accident, a vehicle crash, and I want to address the high number of accidents we're having in Jamaica, Belize, Trinidad, and other parts of the Caribbean. That's her boyfriend. Real nice guy, nice young lady, beautiful couple. You know, they had their life ahead of them. What made me do this? Like I said, I need to address other issues that's going on in our countries. And it's not just about gang killing. You understand? It's about the other agitator that's affecting our growth as a country, and drinking and driving is one of the biggest causes of accident in Belize, Jamaica, Trinidad. And lately, some of the accidents that's coming out of these places make the hair at the back of your neck stand up stiff. Now I'm gonna play the rest of this video, or the full video, so y'all could hear what this young man have to say. But just remember, I'm telling you, it's very heartbroken. When you listen to this, you might end up crying. The only good thing about this is that the man that was driving the car, they charged him, but for vehicle manslaughter. But the bad thing about it, he came out on $6,000 bail. Listen to her boyfriend explain this situation. He can explain it better than I can. But one thing I'm saying, when I saw this video, it totally broke my heart. Look at that beautiful young lady. And for her, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you this much. They were sleeping in the back of the pickup truck when everything happened. So he's gonna explain it better than I can. I want you guys to sit back and listen to this. And you know what I'm saying? Please, if you're out there, don't drink and drive. Okay? That's the message for this. Let's make Belize, Jamaica, the Caribbean, the whole place better. If them have moderates against drunk driving mad, well, them should have caught countryman against drunk, drinking and driving. That's one thing I don't play. I have chanced it before. We have drinked and drive home, and you know, no form of drinking and driving is defensible, so I'm not gonna try to justify it, but there's sometimes I got home and I don't even know I made it home, but I have given up that, and people don't have to worry anymore. Sit back and watch this interview.
19-year-old Glenford Dougal saw his life flash before his eyes when the Ford Ranger pickup truck he was in flipped several times.
I just saw a bright light, and when I saw the bright light, I wake up. When I wake up, I never knew that my foot was broken, nothing.
But that wasn't the worst of it. In Dougal's arm, his girlfriend of 1 year and 4 months, 19-year-old Dene Rowland, dead.
All I knew that was my girlfriend wasn't breathing in my arms still. As in the accident, when I think she has flown out, I was in her, she was in my arms. And then when I woke up, she was still in my arms. And then I was so mad and pissed, and I don't know, I couldn't help myself that night. And I don't want to ask God or judge God or anything, right? But I just say, like, why her? Why couldn't me as well? Because I was with her at the in the accident. I was still with her, so why didn't me as well?
The fatal accident happened on Saturday morning on the Philip Golson Highway near the Sandhill police station. The couple was returning to Belize City from a football game.
She came to my house at the night, and I told her I was going to the Sandhill to watch the game. So I say, like, all your peoples are there, would you want to come too? So she said, yes, I don't mind, baby, I will come. So then we take her, we all went, we was at the game. Then our first driver with among of people who was in the car, we went to drop them off. And when we went to drop them off, it looked like when they drop off the first driver, the first driver was high, was drinking as well as the rest, but me and my girlfriend wasn't drinking, none at all, because I just came out of the hospital. I cannot drink, I cannot smoke. When we came and dropped the driver off with the 3 female compartment, with 3 female friends that he had, so it looked like when we gonna drop them off, they switched driver or something like that to another driver, and then we was still in the back of the pickup truck, me, my girlfriend, and my friend, and the driver was at the front. And it seems like when we was coming back, 3 of us fall asleep behind the pickup truck with my girlfriend in my arms. To be honest, when we first left from city, the first driver was speeding like they was racing with another dirt bike, and then my girl, she was complaining at the back, make we slow down, they slow down. So I tell my friend and we tell them to slow down. So they start slow down, they did slow down, but look like coming back home, take where we drop asleep at the back, we know the focus where it happened, and the next driver, he was drinking too, he was under the influence, and looked like he lose control and car just flipped. When I woke up and my girl was in my hand, I got up, my friend was beside me that invited me to go on the trip because he invited me and I invited my girl. I was talking to him and I was like, why Wilson? Why did you invite me? Why we end up to come? Why you never tell me that all of this may happen? Things like that. And then I'll be honest, I did hit him. Out of ignorance, I hit him, but I apologized to him because it wasn't his fault. And then I went to the driver and I saw the driver, and then I was crying and I was explaining to him why did you do that? What happened? What was the problem? And all he did was watch me in my face, hand down his head and shake his head from side to side.
On Monday, the driver, 20-year-old Oscar Alexander Galinda, was arraigned in the Belize City Magistrate Court, where he was slapped with several criminal charges. He was charged with manslaughter by negligence, causing death by careless conduct, drove motor vehicle with alcohol concentration above the prescribed limit, and negligence grievous harm. Police told reporters on Monday that Galinda was under the influence and speeding. He was offered bail of $6,000, which he met. Galinda must report to the Raccoon Street Police Station every 2 weeks. He's expected to reappear in court on June 7th. Contrary to reports, Roland was not pregnant. Dougal, who suffered a broken right leg, says they had plans to build a life together.
To be honest, words can't explain, sir. I cry. I still feel like I want to cry. I cry from the day I cry up to now. So much time I think about suicide just for me time, because me and my girl fight. We fight for everything together. So at this point, I feel like how she gone, I at least want there with her to fight this too. But everybody tell me it don't make sense because she would have want I be strong and still help out with the family and thing. But I put it away that it just to hurt and I don't know how to let go. And I just have to, because in a day only God knows why.